Hello everyone. Actually, we have faced some history log configuration issue previously, and it got resolved. I'll show how it got resolved and what are the steps need to follow for that. Yeah, my voice is audible, right?
Yes, Sukumar, go
Okay.
ahead.
Yes. Actually, we have created that controller, no? So in controller, actually we create two controller, one for Modbus TCP, another one is for OPC. Before that, we want to add history source in that generic control network area. That actually we missed it, so now we added and the issue solved also. In PLC server control generic network, you want to right click and you want to add a history source. Okay, that is common for all the controllers. You will find history source. Actually we are added, so it is not showing. You can see the history source. You will get here. You can add in history source. You want to select the group. Actually we have created the group, no, while creating the node ABB history, basic history. It will appear here. Okay, basic history. You want to select defaultly it will be none. Okay, you want to select basic history and you want to give apply. Okay, now we can create a log configuration for modules and signals. Okay, we are adding a new aspect in the signal, searching the log configuration and creating. Okay, in that we want to add a property. Okay, it should be we are going to log the values. Okay, in double digit. Template is HMI log. Okay, here the data types are also there. You can select either float or double digit or anything. Okay, defaultly it is in double digit. This template we have created. Okay, that one we are now selecting. Got selected. Apply. Okay, now log creation for one tag is completed. You can see here it is reflected in all the places. You can see the log. Now it is enabled. Okay, the basic history. So from that, when we deployed, no, when we added, it will keep on storing the data. You can see for 1 minute once 5:30. That actually the PC time is we are changed the format because we are running in demo license. Okay, so we are changed the time format and we are working. So 1 minute once it will keep on configure values. Okay, now we'll see how to create a trend template. Actually, this is a basic for reporting and trends, that log creation. Okay, now we'll see how to create a trend template and we can use the log in trend. Okay, for that developing a trend template, we want to go for library structure. Here you can see the trend template library. Okay, under this library you can create a new template. Actually, these are the existing template. If you want to use the existing, you can use, or defaultly it is available. If you want to create a new customizable trend, you can create. I'll show you how to create a new trend. If you learn how to create a new trend, then default template also you can alter. To right click, sorry, here right click, new object, trend template. Okay, creating CHMI trend template. Okay, I'm creating new trend creator. Okay, here you need to select. Here you can see the trend template library. Okay, here you can customize. If you feeling uncomfortable with this tiny page, you can go for the configure. Right click, go to configure. You can get a bigger screen. Okay, Here you can customize the trend that plots it, tricks, then how much values you want to add, duration, everything. In general, actually, we can change that view of a trend. Actually, main view or that value should be in left side or right side. XY plot, the different type of appearance available. But default is main view. Okay, that auto scroll, these are all default values. No need to adjust. You can see here, select how many tables, that update rate, these are default. Okay, no need to change this default settings. In the graph trend area, in the area how much duration of trend you want, you can customize whether 1 hour data or 2 hour data or 1 day data, you can select. Okay, then if you go to details, here defaultly 4 signals they have provided. Okay, if you want we want 10 signals, we can add 10. Okay, and then we can give a color, that is our customizable only. We can select for which line which color we want. Okay, this we can select. Okay, these columns and all are the alters come, I mean customizable only. Okay, these are the preview of columns. Okay, how much space, whether it's needed or unneeded, you can uncheck it. Okay, it's all customizable. Okay, I'm applying. Okay. The basic trend template is ready. Okay, now how much trends we want for how much devices, we can use a template. Is it just template, not a trend live trend screen, just template. Now we can create a trend display. Okay, we can go to functional structure. In motor area, we can select a trend display. Motor area, right click, new aspect, trend display. Okay, you can give the namings. Created. Okay, here you can configure. Now you have taken the trend template. Okay, now you want to add the signals. What are the signals you needed? Okay, I'm adding that OPC tags. Okay, here in object icon is there. No? Here for green, first trace which signal you want, you can select. If you want to click object icon, here you will get the properties in are all the signal tags, everything we are having in control structure. Okay, you want to go to control structure and say 500 speed. I'm adding. Okay, that scaling is auto, it came as auto scaling. Okay, that you want to adjust, you can adjust also high range, low range. Okay, now I'm adding another one signal in second trace. Status, actually if it comes to red, okay, then signal is not communicating in the sense it mean. Okay, now basically we added 2 tags. Okay, like this custom, how much devices you want to add, how much parameter you can add it. Okay, that now we are going to configure the trend screen in that our main display. Okay, that I will show you. We can open that main screen on. Go to edit. Can give one pop-up. one button. I'm taking one button and okay. In this trend, the aspect you want to map the aspect, the trend aspect. Okay. You are going to view. We added in functional structure, motor unit, motor trend. You can custom, you can select the top view, left, right view, left view, or main view. I am selecting the main view. Okay. Main view only you can able to see all the cumulative parameters clear. Okay. You can the trend, there are uh, two way you can add, whether by selecting the button, the trend screen will come, or in this default template, default screen itself we can add. Both also I will show you. For that in screen itself, if you want to add a aspect wrapper, view wrapper. Okay, it will be available special aspect view wrapper. You can create. Okay, in this wrapper you can add view reference, that motor trend. Now save it and close the window. Now we can open workplace. We have added the trend. Okay. Actually, if we using the wrapper, it will be defaultly it will be in screen, whether you can use anywhere. Okay, but that size it should be matter. But if you're giving that with the button, no, you can get as a pop-up. You can maximize or minimize, that you can do. This scrollable and that drag and dropping all customizable only. You can select the size and width of columns. Okay, columns and rows. If you don't want this filter or treatment, you can skip those things while creating the template. Okay. Now we can feed some values. Okay, I think it's value forced 87. Now that high range is 65535. Okay. Now we can set it according to the value updating. We can give us 100. High range, low range should be 0. High range will be. Actually, motor 2 we added as a OP. Sorry, motor 2 we added as a OPC value. Okay. Now OPC IP we have changed, so it is not updating. Now only Modbus TCP IP it is added. Okay, so that motor 1 is working. Okay, you can see that color motor 1 speed. Actually, the object first we added a motor 1, right? So at 87, you can see the ruler value. See, you can see I will adjust the values. You can see I have changed it from 87 to 90. It got increased. Okay. Now that value, that input value is high, but our limit is low. So you can increase the high range. can say. These are the basic trend development and trend screens. Okay. Now we can, if you are clear with this topic, then we can go for reporting. Sir, we can go for reporting. Trend is completed. And they have
Yeah.
doubt, they can.
Is anyone having any doubt? So shall Sukumar move to next topic, the reporting part. Okay, no. Sukumar, you can
Okay.
explain the reporting.
Sir, we want XY plots graph, sir.
There is an option.
Yes, we'll check. This is XY. Hello. Actually, XY, it will be reflecting like this only. Here, okay. Here you will get a timestamp. That Y plot, you will get a tags, sorry, that ranges.
Yes, you can change even x-axis to a different parameters.
Okay, now I will show you for the report how to log the report values in Excel sheet. Okay, then we'll do the scheduling. For the collecting that log, no, you want to go for data direct. Okay, data direct. There are two possible options. One is process value, that is live value for cross checking that instance. Another one is history values. Okay, for generating the reports, you want to make as a history reports and alarm event reports. You can make alarm event report also. There are three possible options. Now I will show you for that history reports. Okay. Here you want to select the tags, which are the customizable tags you want for developing the report. Sorry. First you want to select the tag from under which object it is. Then you want to add a timestamp. That values will comes with a timestamp. Okay. The tag name also you can give. Then the tags here you want from past 24-hour data or past 12-hour data or past 10 minutes data. You can give that intervals, the number of values. Okay. For past 1 hour, or actually I am giving a hour. Okay, sorry, minutes. Actually, now only we started logging the data, so there will be no more huge values. I'm giving from 10 minutes minus 10 minutes before 10 minute to up to now. Okay, it will generate the value if we given this. Okay, if it is 1 minute for 10-minute value, you can give the 10 samples. Okay. If you are generate the report for 24 hours, 1 minute interval data. So you want to calculate. So average for 1 minute data for 124 hours, it will come around 1440 values. Okay. Like that you want to calculate and you want to mention the number of values. Now we are going to take a 10-minute interval value. So I'm giving 10. Okay. Now if you want to select the tags and you want to give apply. See, you can, the tags came here. That mod under Modbus TCP speed. If you don't want these OPC namings, you can create a manual header. Okay. Like this timestamp and motor on speed. Like this, you can create your own template. And you can add the tags here also. Okay. Like this, you can add the values of the timestamp. 1 minute once. Final. Lastly, we are given 120. Okay, so it is recorded. Now I'm saving this template. Okay, I have mapped. I am saving this template and I am doing scheduling. Okay. I'm saving desktop. Okay. Actually, you want to select a Excel 997 223 workbook. Okay. For this report generating, the format should be Excel 97 2003 workbook. Also, we have some limitations in the Excel actually in CHMI. If you want to generate report, actually we want MS Office package with 32-bit, not 64-bit. Okay. If you install the 64-bit of MS package, Office package, then the reporting like data direct add in, it will not work. It will give warnings only that calculations will not do. So we want 32-bit of MS Office package. See, we have installed 32-bit MS Office. So it is working. Now template is ready. Now we will do scheduling. Okay, that periodically or with a time interval gap. We want to generate 10 report 10 minutes once or half an hour once it want to report want to generate like that. You can do scheduling. The report scheduling everything will be in scheduling structure. Okay. Under schedules and jobs, we need to declare a scheduling for our customized report. Actually, the job description folder is available. Under this, you want to add a job template. Okay, job description. Example, motor report. I'm giving the name and I'm creating the job. Okay, here, if you after creating the job, you want to add a new aspect called action aspect. Okay, in action aspect only, we are going to give a path from where I want to take the format. Then after calculating where I want to save the report, those and all will be carried out here. Okay, you want to select a report action, not backup action, report action. For example, with reports, the system should be both start and done. The log should be both start a report generating and report closing. Okay, it is generating and sharing the report. So start and done. Here template path. We have created the template and we saved in the desktop. No, that we want to give the path here. I given all desktop files. HMI test report. Okay. Adding then export path where it should save. Okay. We can give declare on path. Desktop I am giving or the same folder. Okay, I'm giving in desktop. Okay. Now we can add multiple path also. One or two folder you want the report should be logged or saved. You can call. After that, you want to give apply. Okay. Then scheduling definition. Here on the timings and all we are going to calculate. The schedule should be, we have various options. Cyclic schedule. Cyclic schedule in the sense 10-minute once, 15-minute once report should generate like that. Periodical scheduling means that whenever on which time for 24 hours once at what time it should generate. Monthly and list schedule. Expression schedule with the sense when we're giving the expression or script according to that it will act. I will show you for the basic scheduling. Okay, cyclic scheduling. Okay, interval we can set. For example, in process and all they will for half an hour once or 1 hour once they will generate on report for checking that performance. Okay, I'm giving 60-second once. Okay, or 15 30-second once I'm giving. Service group should be scheduler group. Okay, you want to enable if actually in future for some of duration you want to disable the report mean you can disable here. Now it should be for generating it should enable. Okay, I'm giving apply. Okay, when you're giving apply, no, the report will start to calculate. Now 30-second once it will generate the report. You can see the jobs will start running jobs. Okay, job started.